here and learn about one of the most incredible stories of animal evolution. You do not have to travel to remote islands. You do not have to hike into the deepest rainforest. You can look no further than man's best friend. Dogs are our oldest domesticated animal. Dogs were domesticated from their wolf ancestors over 15,000 years ago. But the more that we learn about that pathway from ancient wolf to trusty companion, the more we realize just how much of it was accidental. You see, even at the beginning, dogs started domesticating themselves. Just like modern wolves, early wolves had a wide range of fear responses. And those with the lowest fear responses, well, they were more likely to hang out around the edges of early human settlements, eventually even interacting with those humans. Only then did people take over and start breeding for some of those traits we found useful, like barking when there was a threat, participating in the hunt, or being companions. But that early accident of domestication was just the beginning. Because you see, there are combinations, there are linked pathways between behavior and genetics. And so by accidentally or intentionally selecting for behavior, for that tame behavior, we accidentally change the appearance of our dogs. By selecting just on that tame behavior, we ended up with dogs with white muzzles, spots on their coats, floppy ears, curly tails, even that shorter nose that we associate with many of our dog breeds. Dogs have evolved with humans for centuries, and this has impacted every aspect of their evolution, even their hormones. You may have heard of the hormone oxytocin, the cuddle hormone. Okay, that's really oversimplified, but you get a boost of oxytocin, or a rise in oxytocin, when you have feelings of love and bonding, when you hold your partner's hand or gaze at a family member you love. It won't surprise pet owners to learn that you also get an oxytocin boost when you look at your pet. What's really fantastic? Dogs get that oxytocin boost when they look back at you. Now, this doesn't happen with tame wolves. This doesn't even happen when dogs look at a stranger, just when dogs look back at their people. And while the jury may still be out on all of our cats, dogs have evolved to love us back.